that's better. So I've been working on the real grade Wing Zero Gundam, and I just really wanted to spotlight just how incredible this model kit is. It's a work in progress and I've already assembled a few of the parts, but what I really wanted to talk about was this. Now, this is the backpack of the Wing Zero, and I don't know what sort of sorcery Bandai have been cooking up, but the build of this backpack is absolutely incredible. Let me show you.
Okay.
Trying to do this as gracefully as I can. They actually open up and they show the inner workings or the thrusters, and you can see there's inner detail right there as well. But this is the clever thing that they did. The booster itself, which is this little bit right here, there is a sort of lever here which if you twist it, it actually opens up, and it's just absolutely mind-blowing how they managed to engineer and do that. You can do it on the other one as well. Again, it has the little mechanism which will open it up. There you go. Bandai has this thing where they call these things gimmicks, and let's face it, they really are gimmicks, but to be honest, it does add to the value of the model kit and the sort of charm of it. Without these things, it wouldn't be as fun to assemble them. So yeah, can't wait to finish working on this. I hope you guys are looking forward to it just as much as I am.